Today on Crest Ridge, we're going to be taking out all the old blown-in insulation that was in the house, especially since there was a fire, so it'll decrease the smoke smell and the fire smell. So we have Pacific Crest Insulation here today. Eric, great guy. This is what he's going to be using to blow this insulation out. You see he's got this tricky little truck here. Sucks it all into a bag, and then he's going to dispose of it. And once he's done, then we're going to go ahead and re-insulate it. So that's what.
Yes, a bunch.
Scraped all the charred stuff off.
Buffed the charred and tightened
Sistered
up.
it. Reinforced it.
Yep, and gussets all through the top.
God, it looks super.
Doesn't it? Oh, man,
that's really good up there.
with it.
That's not going to be a problem at all.
Paul, we're almost at a point where we're gonna start putting it back together now.
We need to get a hold of the drywall guy.
Yeah. Okay. I'll follow up on that.
Because really, we got electrical. We got to do electrical rough-in, plumbing. Get the drywall guy in here, and it's going to go pretty fast.
Tomorrow or Thursday.
Manometers this afternoon out here.
Okay.
And then he can look at the HVAC, and then we can get the ducting ordered.
Okay.
We get the whole unit ordered, but that way we can pick up the ducting and put that in.
Great.
As soon as we get the lid on, Eric will come back and put insulation in there.
Okay.
So that's a pretty big plus.
Okay, Paul. So I'm thinking, Paul, after I shoot all the primer.
Yeah. We're gonna do the whole house.
Then I'm gonna start doing ABS plumbing.
Yep.
Okay.
Do plumbing, electrical. Yeah.
Plumbing and then electrical. Yes.
Just make sure you don't fill up the bags too cold.
And we're gonna use PEX, correct?
I would.
Why not?
It's easier, faster. Yep.
Okay, I wanna make sure.
So a lot of the plumbing is either galvanized or copper, but we're going to use PEX because it's super fast.
Yeah. Okay.
More flexible, so you can run it in tighter places. So today is roof repair day, right?
Roof repair.
We got all the supplies, dry rot. So we decided to change the whole roof out because of the damage and stuff. So it's going to be a lot better. So there's a little work going on today. See what it looks like.
Fire damage, though, just
All the
raggedy.
fire damage stuff is off too.
Sunday, do you not like the looks of that now? I mean, almost the smoke's almost all gone.
We got it so much better. Amazing to smell.
It's open.
I mean, now that it's open.
Insulation.
Makes a big difference.
The only thing we got left Sunday is for smoke. We still gotta wash the ceilings and the walls and everything.
I think so, yeah. Maybe just over here.
So the whole roof is open. We're replacing all the decking just because of the fire and smoke damage. So it's going to make it so awesome for the new owners of this house because it's going to be completely redone. As you can see, we got the boys working on the roof there today. So we get some good weather for the next week. So the plan is by the weekend we'll have it all repaired. All the barge rafters, rafter tails, the decking, fascia, and then get it papered. And then we'll get it done. So it's looking good. Should be a good weekend. Show you some progress there as it goes.
And are you just gonna spray it down with bleach?
Yes. We're gonna actually Sunday we're gonna do a bleach with a mop, the sponge mop, and we're gonna give it that and see what it does. That was the plan anyways. But I am totally on board if you guys think we should make it.
The only thing is, how much work is it gonna be to clean it?
Right.
versus just tearing it out and have somebody else drywall it. That's the thing. If you want to put the time into cleaning it, then clean it. It would be easier, less work for you to tear it out and just have somebody redo it.
I'm kind of really leaning now towards tear out because then the whole thing's new, right?
Yeah.
Although we're not, I mean, we could feel really good about this house if we take the rest of this out.
So there's two things. You gotta think, you're not a new home builder, but you want it right also.
Exactly.
So if you can get it right without tearing it out,
Then that's
do
great.
that.
Okay.
But how much effort and time is it gonna take to put it into cleaning it versus
Yeah.
just ripping this out? And it doesn't look like
Boy, it's really thin. Feel it. Man, look, that's it right there.
Yeah, I mean, if we're gonna do it, do it right. Yeah.
it's not gonna be that much more to do this room right.
No, it's gonna be easy.
Okay.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah, I'm glad we got the bin.
Yeah. See, everything works out for a reason.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think in the long run, you'll be happier.
Okay.
Well, gonna do a little demo today, a little demo. So we're checking on the progress of Crestridge today. Hopefully they got a few things done. They've got a new roof on there. Yeah, check it out, looking good. Get the roof on there, looking good. Looks like we've got some windows in. Let's go see what's going on in here.